start the last question, question number 5 of practice set 2.1. The question is that in given figure, line AB parallel to line CD and PT is their transversal line, or you can say PQ is their transversal line. They given that one of measure of angle BRT, that is 105 degree, and we have to find out these angles. Angle ART, angle CTQ, angle DTQ and angle PRB. Okay, let's having the solution first. For angle ART, see here, angle ART, that means we have to find out this angle first. Now you can see that AB is the line and these two angles are linear angle, and we know that linear angles are supplementary to each other. That means the addition of these two angles are 180 degree. So we have to write here first, that is angle ART plus angle BRT, which is given, is equal to 180 degree, and write here reason, that is angles in linear pair. Okay, so angle ART plus angle BRT is given 105 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So angle ART is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree, which is equal to 75 degree. So we can find easily angle ART as 75 degree. Let's solve second, angle CTQ. See here, angle CTQ, that means we have to find out this angle right here, angle 2. Now for CTQ, in figure you can see that as both lines are parallel and this is their transversal line, so angle 1 and this angle are corresponding angles, and we know that corresponding angles are congruent to each other. So right here, angle ART congruent to angle CTQ. Right here reason, angles, corresponding angles are congruent. So right here, corresponding angles. And therefore we can say that if ART is 75 degree, so angle CTQ also 75 degree. Hence the angle CTQ is 75 degree. Right reason here. Okay, let's solution have third, angle DTQ. See here, this is the angle DTQ, that means this, the third one. You can see that CD is the line and these two angles are angles in linear pair as we seen in above, and hence the addition of these two angles is 180 degree. So right here, angle CTQ plus angle DTQ is the sum 180 degree, and we have to write here reason, that is angles in linear pair. So write here angles in linear pair, and hence angle CTQ is given, that is 75 degree. We can easily find out angle DTQ 180 degree. So angle DTQ is equal to 180 minus this 75 degree, and we get the answer as 180 minus 75, and the answer is 105 degree. Now the last one, angle PRB. See here, this is angle PRB, that means we have to find out this angle, angle number 4. Now you can see angle first, that is ART, and angle PRB 4 are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are congruent. So right here, angle ART congruent to angle PRB. Right here reason, vertically opposite angle. So angle ART is equal to angle PRB, and we know that angle ART, which we proven in first 75 degree. So write here 75 degree. Hence angle PRB is of 75 degree. This is a very simple question.